Today we are going to learn how to customize the process payroll screen. As you see before you, this is our normal process payroll screen that gives us the tasks that we normally follow for doing our payroll process. And we will show how to edit a task and either put it on or off of the screen, as well as choosing a report that we may want to run at the time of calculating payroll. Over on the left hand side, we're going to click on System. Underneath the System Processes, we're going to click on Custom Process Payroll. This gives us the Custom Process Payroll edit screen. The group is Payroll. The submenu allows us to do processes, quick launch, reports, and tasks. Today we're going to concentrate on tasks and reports, but we'll choose tasks first. On the right hand side is all the tasks that are available to add to the report. Below you will see all the tasks that have already been included on that process payroll screen. Today we're going to choose transaction history, which we would click on in the available screen, click on add, and you can see that it gets inserted on the bottom. We have the ability to click on it and either move it up or down depending on where we are and how we would like to see it on the flowchart. In this particular case, it's usually a function that is after payroll, so we will leave it where it's at. Now, while we're here, there's one particular task that I would like to take off the payroll process, and that is the import timesheet, which is optional, and we do not use it for this particular example. So we will click on it and then we will remove it. It asks us if we are sure we want to delete, and we will say yes. It now goes back into the available screen, and now everything is the way that we had designed it. While we are here, I would also like to add a report that we use normally after calculating payroll. It is called the pre-check register. We will go back up to the sub-menu. We will choose on Reports. On the right hand side are all the reports that are available to choose. We are looking for the pre-check register. We will click on it, then click on Add, and now you can see it's back in our Include in the Payroll process. However, it's not in the position that we would like to run it. So we can click on it, and then we can move it up to where we want to have it installed. And normally what happens is we calculate payroll, then we want to see what's on that payroll, and so that's why I have now put it in that slot. At this particular point, we are done, and we can say OK. It's telling us that we have completed it successfully and that we are going to restart the Sage HRMS system. Now, upon the HRMS system restarting, we can now come in, click on Payroll, Process Payroll, and here is our flowchart. The first thing we will see is that the optional timesheet is now gone. As we come through here, we see Calculate Payroll, and then we have added the report Pre-check Payroll Register. As we follow the flowchart along, at the end we now see where our task of transaction history has been added. I hope this has helped you and that you use this in the future. Thank you.